Yeah, man! Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you garden salad. You're gonna need a crown of lettuce, one or two carrots, half bell pepper or sweet pepper, a small tomato, or you can use cherry tomato, one or two eggs, a small onion if you like onion, one or two eggs, and peanuts, raw peanuts or roasted peanuts or any nuts. You can use pumpkin seed nuts. There's a lot of edible nuts out there. Get a bowl, add enough water in it. Cut lettuce in half, then remove the lettuce stem. Remove vine leaves, trim off spoilage. Now cut half piece in half. Add several drops of distilled white vinegar in the bowl of water. You can use salt instead of distilled white vinegar. Next, add the 2 chopped pieces of lettuce to your vinegar water in the bowl. Alright, kind of allow it to wash properly. Let the water get in between the lettuce and wash the lettuce properly. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. Alright, throw off that water and give your vegetables and give the lettuce a final rinse. Now remove the lettuce from the water. Kind of gently squeeze it, remove excess water. Red cabbage is good for this recipe. Just do the same. Remove the stem and wash it properly. Soak in salt water, remove dirt. Use sharp knife, shred fine, or use a grater. What I like to do, I put the lettuce on a plate and kind of tilt the plate and allow the lettuce to drain. Or you can use a colander, and just allow it to drain. That's what I should have done, you know. I have a colander, you know. I should have had my colander and just let it drain. So off that water, I got a fresh bowl of water, added some distilled vinegar, washed the tomatoes. Now with the carrot. Here in our region, our carrot is straight from the field, so sometimes it's not washed properly. So you gotta wash off that dirt first. What I like to do is scrape the surface of the carrot. That way I'm sure it's clean. Some people say I'm scraping off the best part. If so be it, all you need to do is get a scrubber and scrub the carrot clean before using it. See, they say that's the best part. But you scrub it clean and use it. If you don't want to scrape it this way. If you don't want to scrape it like me. After that, cut off ends. Give carrot a final rinse. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. Now, with the sweet pepper, cut the sweet pepper in half, cut off stem. Now, wash your sweet pepper properly. Sometimes the sweet pepper grows close to the ground. So sometimes it's dirty, it's very dirty, so you gotta use your finger and rub it properly and be sure the bell pepper is cleaned properly. Next, we're gonna chop, slice and dice. So I got me a salad bowl. where I'm gonna gather all my vegetables. Now with the lettuce cleaned and prepared, look for the length, where you see the length alongside the lettuce. See, you want to cut flakes, little strips, as long as your finger. You don't want to cut snowflakes as if you're making coleslaw. You want long little strips like this. Or you can just rip them apart. You can just rip it like that. I don't know where the toasting come in, but you can toast it too as well. So you want the strips to be about an inch, between 2 inches thickness. Or just rip it. Keep vegetables separate in the salad bowl. Cut off tomatoes stem. Cut tomato in quarters, such as this. Now with the sweet pepper or bell pepper, cut little strips as long as your finger. Or you can dice the bell pepper like this. If you like onions, just peel the onion and cut little cartwheels. Carrot, it's a shredder. It comes with a few different designs. It comes with different design on each side. You can go through and use the one you like. I'm just gonna shred it. Shred carrot to your liking. You don't want to shred it like puree or pulp. You want it to be chunks somewhat. So once you gathered all your chopped vegetables in the salad bowl, keep it covered and refrigerated until serving. After that, put to heat a saucepan, a medium-sized well, this is a small-sized saucepan. Add enough water. We're gonna boil eggs next. We're gonna make boiled eggs or poached. To know if the egg is good, all you need to do is put the egg on a clean surface, a smooth surface, and then spin it. If it stays one place and spin, it's very good. The yolk is in it and it's just keeping the spin in one place. If it wobbles and go all over the place, that means it's not good. You can also smell it. And you can also put the egg in water, a lot of water. If it floats, it's not good. Stove gauge is on 2 for now. That's low. Turn the stove up on 4, medium low. I want to get the boiling going. Been 3 between 4 minutes. and the water starts to boil, you want to turn the stove back down because the eggs are kind of jumping in the water and I don't want it to break. Don't want to use egg, you can use any edible nut instead. Before I forget, you can use croutons, or if you're not vegetarian, you can use bacon bits or whatever else they have as additives to these salad. And one of the egg is cracking, so I'm removing it. It's now 10 minutes. Eggs should take around 10 between 12 minutes. Well, 10 between 12 minutes if you want to get the yolk hard. To parch. After that, allow the eggs to get cool. You could put it in cold water or regular room temperature water and allow it to cool, but it's best if you just allow it to cool. Right, so it's cooled, cool enough where I can touch it. Do as you see me doing. Gently beat the boiled egg. Not hard, gently. There's a tip, there's a method that I like to use when removing the shell from the egg. You could beat it on the surface too as well. So out of frame, what I'm looking for is a little film that tends to be around the egg that protects the egg from the shell. If you can get beneath the boiled egg film, it will be easier to remove. See? You see? You see that little thin white thing? Yeah, if you get beneath it, the shell come off easily. If you should do something like this, don't waste the egg. All you need to do is just eat out that piece and throw it out. Don't despair. Just eat out that piece. Once you remove the egg's shell, cut egg in quarter. So I'm just showing you that it's cooked. It's kind of still moist a little bit, but it's cooked. Oh yes, and for those of you who don't want to use the yolk, you can always remove it. The yolk is cholesterols. The cholesterols is in the yolk. That's the idea. Cover it and put it aside for later. Now we're going to assemble our garden salad. You know, from when I was supposed to put up these salad videos, but I just wanted to get the hard stuff out of the way. All the cooking, all that meal. Over the last 5 years, I've been doing a lot of cooking. This recipe is on the website, but I didn't get a chance to do a video for it. They have a saying in life, nothing don't happen before it's time, and I truly believe it. Do as you see me doing. I just laid or chopped lettuce in the middle of the plate. I placed alongside it or sliced bell pepper along with the shredded carrot. Now I'm adding or sliced tomatoes. I don't believe there is any set rules onto how you can lay out your salad. You place the bowl in the middle of the table, and then your patrons help themselves. So peanut, you can use the peanut instead or both. What I will do if I was at a party, what I would do is just keep each of these vegetables in a separate bowl and just let people help themselves. If you're ration, if you don't have plenty and you just want to make sure everybody gets a little bit, you can serve it yourself, or you're assigned somebody to serve. Now I'm giving it my final touch with these pieces of egg. This is garden salad. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, share. You should try toasting this salad yourself and give us feedback. Garden salad. Vegetarian dinners. Salad. Garden salad. And I'm sure there are many other vegetables that you can use, but these vegetables are the typical vegetables that people use in a garden salad. Get your favorite salad dressing. I'm using Thousand Island today. That's my favorite. Sorry, you're gonna watch me eat this garden salad. Bless you. Well, it's tangy. If you know the flavor of Thousand Island, it's tangy and flavorful. The vegetables are clean and delicious. You can use peanut, roasted peanuts, pumpkin nuts, any kind of nuts. You can sprinkle even sesame seeds on top. Raw nuts, any kind of nuts. It works. It tastes very lovely. It tastes good. It doesn't interfere with the meal at all. There's no set rules how much salad dressing you can use. Some of the ones them out there are French, blue cheese, Italian. This one that I'm using, Thousand Island, ranch. I like ranch. I like blue cheese too. I like them all, you know. But my favorite is Thousand Island. I will eat anyone. If I go somewhere and whatever dressing they serve, I wouldn't have a problem. Sometimes you need to just ease off of the meat and eat vegetables. I never like to hear when a person says they don't eat vegetables. I always wonder what their life gonna be like when they as they age in life. So if you know anything about me, I eat meat and I eat a lot of stuff, but I eat in moderation. Eat vegetables twice, at least twice a week, like pure vegetables twice a week. And I would say use the distilled white vinegar to wash your vegetables instead of vegetable soap. I'm not even sure what is in it, but if you want to use it, you can use it, but I wouldn't recommend it. While I was looking for the vegetables for this one supermarket, the vegetables had a sheen, like a sheen, greasy something on it. And to me, that was a turn off. I didn't know what it was. So I actually went somewhere else to buy my vegetables. Why would you become a vegetarian if you're gonna still eat processed stuff? I'm sure when a person decides to become a vegetarian, the whole objective is to be healthy. And healthy should go all the way. That means you shouldn't eat certain things. You should just keep it healthy. So you should always question everything that you use. What is in it? How was it made? And stuff like that. And if it's not natural, don't. Until next time, bye.
Yeah, man!